Hello, today we're going to look at listening to a short exchange. This is lesson 2 on page 3 of Credit 4. So first we're going to talk about listening questions. So in any exam, half the battle is knowing the instructions. Don't skip them. Have you ever wondered how many people fail tests and exams for the simple reason of not following directions? Don't skip the instructions. So we're going to take a look at some recordings. We're going to listen to a conversation between a boy and girl, and we're going to select the correct answer. So let's take a listen to this first one. See if I can get it to start playing.
Listen to a conversation between a boy and a girl.
Hey, do you want to join my study group for science class? Lunchtime is too short, so we meet in the library right after our last class.
That's a great idea. I'll see you after school.
Where will the girl go after school? A. Science class. B. The library. C. The cafeteria.
All right, so for this question, you should have heard that recording and you should know what the answer is. So what we can do is we can go ahead and click this little button or the draw tool and select the right answer. So you're going to tell me, is she going to go to the science class, the library, or the cafeteria? Okay, so cuando estás tomando este exam y no entiendes todo lo que estás haciendo, trata de escuchar por esta palabra, science class, the library, the cafeteria. So, piensa en que estás escuchando y trata de contestar con la respuesta que tú piensas que es. All right? So sometimes you don't always understand what they're saying. Try to remember or listen for these different words or these different sentences because that'll tell you. Okay, so let's try to practice that with the next one.
Listen to a conversation between a boy and a girl.
We have a lot to do for this history project. I did some research online and found a lot of information, and some cool pictures too. Now we need to write a summary for the poster.
I can do that. I'm a pretty good writer.
What will the girl do for the project? A. Draw pictures. B. Write a summary. C. Look up information.
Okay, so what I did is I underlined the words that I heard, and the boy talked about the history project, and he said that he looked up information and he found pictures. And he said the last thing they needed to do is write a summary. And the girl said that she can do that. So by listening to those, we have our answer. So, otra vez, yo hice líneas abajo de la información que yo escuché y escuché que la muchacha dice que ella puede escribir la resumen. All right? So, trata de escuchar por estas palabras cuando estás haciendo el examen de escuchar. All right, now we're going to try one more time. I'm not going to give you the answer on this one. I want you to listen for it, and I want you to underline the words that you hear to see if that'll help you. Or you can even take notes. So esta vez voy a ponerle de otra vez para que puedan escuchar. Quiero que escribes líneas abajo de las palabras que escuchas, o puedes tomar notas al lado y a ver cuál se puedes escoger la pregunta que está correcto.
Listen to a conversation between a boy and a girl.
I'm having a hard time with our math homework. Do you think you could explain fractions to me?
Sure. Why don't I help you during lunch? I can show how fractions work by using the sections of my orange.